Alright, so my quest for some awesome, cheesy jalapeno sausage. There's my street corn. This one's from Chili's. Ooh. That's sure not a lot. I got the triple. I'll go over that again. I got 2 street corns. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then I got me a little snack. Had a free kids meal, so I just went ahead and did that. Got my silverware. Let's go for this baby right here. Kind of the bummer thing is, this is supposed to be 3 times the meat for $21.99 or something like that. But let's just go ahead and taste it. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it or not. See, I see a little pepper in there and some cheese. Not bad. Got good flavor to it. I really like that. But not as good as Tender Smokehouse. But it's good. Alright. There's some cheese in there, the jalapenos. Oh, I'm going to show you the street corn. Can you see that? That is awesome. Here's my pizza. That's pretty good. But we'll find out what the local yokel tastes like. Alright. It's Barbara. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya. Yeah, this is worth it. This is good. I feel it kicking in a little bit. Very good sausage.